Hey friends, in this video we are gonna compare the Boatstone 650 with the Boatstone 700. So let's move in. Lined up both these devices in front of you. This is the Boatstone 650 and this is the Boatstone 700. And first we're going to talk about the build quality and design on both these speakers. And friends, if you want to check out the unboxing and review videos of both these speakers individually, you can see there's a card appearing on the, click on the card and watch that video. And friends, I've done a special water test and a drop test of the Boatstone 700, so that video will also be there on the top. You can see there's a card, click on the card to watch those videos. So friends, as we were speaking about the build quality and design on both these speakers, build quality wise both these speakers are made out of different material. Like the Boatstone 700 has some rubber onto it, the buttons, the bottom part, all this green stuff is made out of rubber, the sides and everything are made out of plastic, which is very rugged. Like the front part, the rear part is made out of metal, it's super rugged, it's very rugged. Yeah, I've done a proper drop test of this speaker. This speaker is holding up pretty well. It's still banging that bass. You can see it has got lots of, you can see over here, lots of knickknacks over here and there on this speaker, because yeah, the drop test was hard, but this is holding up pretty well. The shell, the quality of this device is too good. You see both of these speakers from the same brand look very different. Like the specs are very similar, they both are 10-watt speaker, but see, they look so much different, they look so much attractive. That's what I like about both. They make some outstanding speakers. Like the design on both these speakers are super awesome. The Boatstone 650 has this wraparound grill, which is also a very nice thought in my opinion. This looks pretty unique and this is a very eye-catching look. This diamond cut grill design also over here makes it pretty awesome. The sides are made out of rubber, which makes this speaker rugged. Not as rugged as this speaker, but this is a little bit rugged because this can get dented up pretty easily because this is all metal over here. The bottom part, you can see this is the tripod mount. On the sides you have the button layout. On the 700 you have the button layout on the top over here. And if you want to hang the speaker somewhere, so you get a hook also on the speaker itself. And friends, design wise also both these speakers look pretty bomb in my opinion. They look very different from each other. They are just pretty awesome in my opinion. They are both very eye-catching speakers. That's why these both speakers are very popular. Both has done a great job when it comes to design and keeping their speakers look very different from each other. So friends, now we're gonna move to the feature list of both these speakers. Both these speakers are very similar in terms of features also. Both these speakers are of 10 watts. Both these speakers get latest Bluetooth. Both these speakers support microphones, so you can pick up calls from both these speakers over here. Both these speakers are water resistant. This is IPX5, this is IPX6, I think so. And the batteries on both these speakers are very different. This is a 1800 mAh battery on the 650 and on the 700 it's 2000 mAh. So the playtime on the 650 is about 7 hours and the playtime on the boat is about 8 to 9 hours, I think so, at full volume. Yeah, I've done that personally. So friends, now we're gonna move to the sound test of both these speakers. These both devices to my OnePlus 5, as you can see, and the name of the song is Yala. And first we're gonna hear the old speaker, the Boatstone 700, which is a 10-watt speaker. By the way, not this one. That one is also a 10-watt speaker. So this is a great competition. So the volume is full from my device and I'm gonna play the song. Yala. Full. So friends, now as you have heard the Boatstone 700, it's time for the Boatstone 650, and I'm gonna play the same song again so you can get a correct perspective. So I'm gonna play the song and the volume is full, as you can see. Friends, as you have heard both these speakers, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from both these speakers is damn good. Sound quality wise, there was no distortion in any way at all, and these are both speakers. You don't get any distorted sound. It's that good. The beats were too good. You can hear each and every beat, you can hear each and everything what the singer was singing at full volume. You saw that. But when we talk about the loudness and bass specifically, the Boatstone 650 is way ahead than the Boatstone 700. I know most of you will be like, why there is this much of difference in sound, and both these speakers are 10 watts, they are very similar. Yeah, they are very similar, I know, but this is a 1 year old speaker. Boat has come a long way, and this is what they have got here in 2019. So the 650 has better sound, like it's more loud. The bass on the 650 is superb in my opinion, like it's damn good. If you haven't seen the comparison with the sound drum of the 650, you can see there's a card appearing over there. That was a superb video. You can see that video if you are in the market for a speaker under 2000 rupees. So as we were talking about these speakers, the Boatstone 650 is a better package in comparison to the 700 because it sounds better, the bass is damn good, which I love, and it's priced also lesser than the Boatstone 700. It's about 300-400 rupees lesser than the 700, and you get variety of colors in this speaker. And I don't think that you should spend a little bit more money for the speaker because it's not worth it. You get better sound, you get a great design. The battery is the only thing where it is less in comparison to the Boatstone 700, but it's okay. 200 mAh, not a big difference. 7 hours, it's okay in my opinion. 7 hours, it's damn good in my opinion. So friends, in this video, the perfect winner is the Boatstone 650. And friends, comment down below which speaker do you want to get compared with this speaker or any other speaker you have in your mind. And friends, if you want to buy any of these speakers, you can see there's a link in the description. Yeah, you can go click on the arrow and there will be a blue link on the description. First link, you can buy any of these speakers. All the colors are available on these speakers, so please check that link down below. Thank you for watching, friends. This is it for now. This is the comparison of the Boatstone 700 and the Boatstone 650. Thank you for watching, friends.